We are reviewing another sporting scope. This baby is the SVBONY SV17 sporting scope, and it costs around about £65 to £70 at the moment, or at the time of making this video. Nothing to see really on the box, and no, I didn't buy it. I actually got it delivered to me, so thank you for that, SVBONY. Hopefully it's as good as the last one. We will find out. So let's get that. Let's see what you're going to get for your money. That is everything I've got in the box, but I've got a feeling it's not quite right, because I've looked in here and there should be a tripod, and there's no tripod. It doesn't matter to me because I have one of these tripods anyway, and I won't be using it anyway. I'm using a larger tripod. Lens cap comes with a lens cap and another lens cap. Cleaning cloth, we've got the cleaning cloth. The carrier bag, we got the bag. There's the bag. It's quite a nice bag. Yeah, well padded. It's got a little spacer in there for your tripod and the scope itself. Instructions, obviously, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, my tripod is not here, and I've got this, no idea why, and this. So something went wrong with the packaging, but everything else seems to be okay. Right, let's have a quick look around it. So it says 2575 times 70, 64 to 43 foot, 1,000 yards. That's what it says there, look baby. And SVBONY waterproof, apparently it's waterproof. And I do believe you can disconnect the lens. So you can actually take this right off. For easy storage if you need to. There you go. Do that. Put it back. So, oh, by the way, one more thing. You can actually twist it on the actual tripod. So you put this on the tripod and you can actually turn it like that. It's got little notches. So you can have it in different positions. Which I thought was quite a good idea, actually. One now. You can feel it. There. And there. And there. Probably won't be using that. So do that back up. So we have, that is your zoom there, and we will be testing it right up to 75 times. So it goes 25, 50, 75, and that will be your focus. So what we're going to do now is take her out for a test. Right, this is on the 17, SV17. And we're going to adjust it for 75 times, 50 times, 25 times. And just to show you, that's where you're looking. Do it again. So we're on 25 times at the moment. Might be a bit out of focus. Might be my phone. I'm using a phone actually. There you go. And I'm holding it, so it's not ideal. I'm going up to 50. Again, we need to adjust the focus. That's not bad, not bad. 75. And that is max. Couple of things I want to go through before I tell you what I think about it, and one is I didn't know what the strap was for. Obviously it's for the bag. Just got to attach it. So wanted to get that out of the way in case you was confused as well. And the other thing is, this is a little bit confusing because in the manual it shows what's included and it says a tripod is included. But I've spoken to them and they say no, this model does not come with a tripod. And I've checked on eBay and it doesn't show any pictures with this model with a tripod on it. So I'm not sure. I will let you know at a later stage, one way or another, whether or not this comes with a tripod or not, because I would have thought it would have done, but they're saying no, it doesn't. So with that, what do I think about it? Well, I think it's very nice, got a nice bit of weight to it. When filming outside, it was a little bit on the windy side, and it was very difficult for me to hold my phone in position onto the lens. Ideally, you want some sort of mount where you can mount your phone and then fix it onto the lens so it's in a perfect position and not moving about. They do sell one, but I'm not sure if they sell one for this model or not, so that is something you would have to have a look at, but hopefully they do sell one, and hopefully you can attach it to there. Apart from that, I thought it was very good. Focus was easy to adjust on there, and zooming in, again, it's easy to zoom in and out, but it does move about a little bit. And I also set it up on a tripod. I found it a little bit easier to hold it in position by putting it on one of my tripods, a normal tripod, yeah, putting it on one of them, and it held it pretty good. The only thing I had to do is hold the phone on there, and that was quite difficult to get it right. But you can see it does go a long way. It does really go 75 times. It's quite impressive considering how far away I was. I'm not sure how far that was, but I think 75 times zoom, I think that's up to 1,000 meters or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, very impressive. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it's very impressive or not. And with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, it's very nice. Got a nice bit of weight to it as well.